Let me say this thing clearly as yoga teacher. Yoga doesn't ask you to look peaceful. It asks you to be aware, self-aware. Many people come to yoga thinking they must appear calm. That soft voice, relaxed face, no visible internal struggle. But if we return to Yoga Sutras, Sage Patanjali mentioned yoga is defined as awareness of movements of mind, not control or being neutral towards your emotions. Let's say if restlessness is present and you know it, then yoga is happening. If irritation is present and you observe it without any judgment, then you are practicing yoga. The problem begins when students feel pressure to hide their emotions, their inner state, in order to be yogic. That trains disconnection, not awareness. Yoga doesn't tell you to remove these human experiences. It helps to refine our relationship with them. So, my message to all students is not to act or perform calm. Whatever is present, just notice it. And that honesty is your practice. I'm Jyoti Khatri. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Namaste.